Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Venmo account step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Venmo app on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, tap on your profile or the Me tab to view your balance. Here, you'll see your current Venmo balance at the top. To add money, look for the Add Money option and tap on it. Now, you'll need to choose how you want to add funds. The most common way is using your linked bank account or debit card. If you haven't added one yet, tap Add Bank or Card and follow the steps to connect your account. Once that's done, enter the amount you want to add, for example, $50, and confirm the transfer. In most cases, adding money from a bank or debit card has no fee, which is great. Now, there are also a couple of other ways to add money. You can use direct deposit by sharing your Venmo routing and account number with your employer, or you can even cash a check directly inside the app using the mobile check feature. Both of these options will also add funds to your balance. And that's it. That's how you can add money to your Venmo account quickly and easily.